be honest. You post every day, you post often, you are consistent, but still you get few likes, few comments, almost zero shares. This can be frustrating. You start by saying, is Facebook hiding my posts? Do people even like my content? My dear, Facebook is not hiding your posts. People will like your content if you first of all get them to pay attention. So this is just the truth. It is not Facebook that is the problem. It's the health of your audience and your engagement strategy. So you need to watch the health of your audience. Your audience is silent because you are not talking to them. As I'm talking to you now, you are not talking to your own. You are talking at them. You are just talking, let them be here. You are not talking so that you can interact with them. When you learn to talk with your audience, interact with them, give them questions that will make them be part of what you are doing, then you get the health of your audience boosted up. Don't just post, like I always say, and vanish. When you post your content, go and watch your video. Comment on your video. React on your video. Because if you drop a post and I come to that post, I don't see your reaction. I don't see whatever you dropped under. I'll be like, waiting they happen here. So you need to learn how to go back to your video. Do you know that when you watch your video, those adverts will play? The adverts that Facebook put for you there, they will play. And it will count as engagement. If you don't watch and watch that advert, I don't know who you want to have that patience to take time and watch your video. So always learn to ask questions, learn to share your stories, and reply to comments. I see upcoming content creators that people will drop comments for them. They cannot even reply. They'll just do the reaction of like or love and they go their way. No, that is not how to build engagement. That is not how to get things running. You must go back on people's posts. I know sometimes it can be overwhelming if you have so many comments there, but try and comment, go back and reply them. When people feel seen, they stay. If they know they are seeing them, they will stay. But when they know that you are ignoring them, they will kukuma scroll and pass. So instead of saying things like, here are 3 ways of staying motivated, learn to say, what's one thing that keeps you motivated even on hard days? When you ask questions, you get them to talk because you've asked a question. You've given them a lead way on how to start engaging on your platform or on your content. So by asking that question, it will help to boost your engagement by almost 10%. Number 2, consistency builds connection. You can't appear once in a week and expect loyal followers. If you are consistent, people will be like, okay, I know she'll come. She must definitely drop something today. Let me go and see what Chinorem has dropped there. But when you drop once in a week and you disappear, they don't know when next you are going to come here again, you are not going to build that engagement. You're not going to get people to come and be part of what you're doing. Facebook rewards active and steady creators. The more consistent you are, the more your videos reach people who truly care about your message. So this is an advice from me to you. Try and show up every day. Try and drop a video every day. Try and drop a picture with some write-ups every day. Even when you don't feel like, try. If you know that you cannot be consistent, okay, do the scheduling thing. Sit down one day and arrange all the things you want to post for the week. Schedule them. So what did I say? Post at least 3 times a week. That is, if it's bad, it's as bad as bad. Do 3. Even if they are short, but they are original. They are your content. Facebook wants original. They don't want it to be that you went and lifted somebody's content. Remember, consistency beats perfection every single time. Don't try to do content and be perfect in it. Make your mistake. This English, if you speak wrong English, no wahala. Let them go and correct you in the comment section. Be consistent. Don't strive for perfection. Number 3, work on having healthy audience, real people. Stop chasing that reaction, the likes, the love. Start building relationship. When your audience trusts you, your reach and revenue naturally grows. I've already talked about replying to your comments. I've talked about appreciating. Also learn to appreciate people's support. When people react to your post, learn to say, I appreciate you for making such comments. Even if they drop comments that are in the negative light, don't go fighting or trying to start doing basketballs under your comment section. There's a more matured way of handling people with negativity. You can say, okay, you appreciate the fact that everybody have the right to their own opinion, but you now say what you want to say. You don't need to fight. No basketballs there. Facebook doesn't even like that drama. That drama they do, they don't like it at all. Try to encourage your audience to support you. This will make them to be part of your journey. Remember, the algorithm loves creators who create conversations, not just content. So next time your post gets only few likes, don't quit. Ask yourself, did I connect? Did I stay consistent? Did I value my audience? Because Facebook doesn't grow pages. Yes, they don't grow profiles. People do. So nourish your audience and your engagement will start to grow like magic. Tell me in the comments. I will end here. Tell me in the comments, what's one way you connect with your audience?